Hi everyone, we're here today at the Department of Education's Parramatta offices. We're here for this amazing TeachMeet that's hosted by Mark Scott and Nurat Yizdar. But we're also here to activate the STEM Share and Technology for Learning Innovations and Utilisation Teams programs. So we're going to be showing teachers lots of awesome robots, virtual reality, filming, 3D printing, and so much more to get them inspired and get them connecting with their students, because every student is at the centre of everything we do with technology.
We're here for the TeachMeet with the Secretary and the DepSec, and it's really exciting because it allows us to showcase some of our amazing technology for teachers. Hoping to chat to some great teachers today, and I'm learning too all the time. I'm going to be manning the filming kit, so can't wait to show teachers how to use green screens, etc. with their students.